Perry, this is Colton here with LA Mazda. So I know you spoke with Gilbert and he told you I was going to send you a video walk around. I just wanted to touch on some of the big differences from the 2015 and the 13, okay? So one of the hugest differences is going to be the engine size. Now the nice thing is it's going to be a bigger engine. It's going to be the 2.5 liter. Now that's nice, you're going to get that extra power, but there's going to be virtually no difference as far as fuel costs, okay? So you're going to have that extra power, but you're also going to maintain that fuel efficiency that you get with your CX-5 currently. Now one of the other things you'll get when you move up to the GS is you're going to have the blind spot monitoring. Now it's a little hard to see, but right here in the top corner is actually be two squares that light up anytime someone's in your blind side. So when you're signaling, you can always know if someone's there, okay? As we go to the inside, I just want to show you a few things that you also are going to get. You're going to get the driver's side power seats, okay? It's also going to have the lumbar. Now also with these seats, you're going to have heated seats that come in both the passenger and the driver's seat. Okay, and you're going to have the same features you have in your vehicle right now, the Bluetooth and stuff like that. This one's also going to come with the moonroof, so that's a nice feature as well, especially in the summertime. You know, as we go to the back, I just want to show you, because I know in your current vehicle you have the 60-40 split. So with this one, you actually have the 40-20-40, so it's nice. You do a crazy trip to IKEA or something, you just throw something right down the middle and you still have the two available seats, right? One of the other things that is huge for this that is different from yours is actually the backup camera. So I'll just show you where it is. So it's actually a fisheye. So as far as the visibility goes, it's very, very good. I'll just give you a look at the back again. Again, it is very similar to the one you have. There's just a lot of different features that aren't in your GX, okay? Just give you a look. And one of the other things too is I understand you have a silver one. There are new colors for the CX-5 now. So that's definitely something else to consider, okay? And you're also going to have the fog lamps on this. So, hope this helps, Perry. Thank you.